Hello, Paul again from EMD Automotive. As you can see, the the hydraulic, excuse me, hydraulic lifter housing is back on. So you can see I marked it with all black texture there. That means that I've torqued up the actual bolts to 10 Newton meters. These ones. Alright, so that's a new one, all installed inside the cam housing. On the 3.4, the hydraulic lifters are all the same. On the 3.6 Carrera S or 3.6 996, the lifters are different. The intake have a little notch, so you can't move it around, so it goes a little cutout on the actual cam housing for the little notch to actually slide in. So, and it's very important when you install this to line up the hole on the actual lifter to the middle of this part here, because that's where the oil is coming from. So there's a hole here, there's a little hole inside there, that little hole inside on the top. That little hole must line up with the hole here. You don't have to, some people don't care, because the oil still goes around the seam here and we'll get to the hole anyway, but it's always better to line up the hole right there. It's more important, so everything lines up. Alright, so now I'm ready to put the actual, move this part here and change the actual the chain guide, which is that one there, top one at the bottom there and one on top there. So I'm ready for that now. So this is all done. Once the guide's done, tension are in the chain, and then put everything back together on this side here. And time consuming, but we're nearly there. And then after that, do the other side as well. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.